In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video from an image with Sora. Amazon River Documentary Extreme Edit. We'll turn a single photo into a dramatic moving scene using Sora's image-to-video tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Sora. In the results, click the official Sora site. You should land on the Explore page, where you can start a new generation. If you're ever asked to sign in, just follow the on-screen prompts. Otherwise, continue straight to the workspace. Look for the plus sign icon, the upload button, and select the still image you want to animate. A crisp, high-resolution photo works best. For cinematic results, choose an image with a clear subject and good contrast. Wide shots give Sora more room to invent motion. Close-ups can feel more intense but may limit the scene. Keep the aspect ratio in mind, because Sora tends to honor the framing of your source image. With the image in place, craft the text prompt that tells Sora what to do. Here's the exact prompt we'll use for our Amazon River theme. A thrilling helicopter adventure where a man films himself above the rainforest, excitedly capturing a giant anaconda swimming through the Amazon River as rotor wind, jungle views, and cinematic aerial shots amplify the danger and awe. That prompt works because it specifies subject, setting, camera perspective, motion, and mood. If you want to push style further, you can add cues like documentary feel, natural lighting, handheld realism, or smooth aerial tracking. Keep sentences clear and concrete. The more unambiguous your wording, the more consistent the result. When you're happy with the prompt, click Create Video. Sora will process your request for a bit. Render time depends on length and complexity, so keep the tab open. Once the preview appears, press play and look for details. River flow, helicopter movement, and how the anaconda tracks through the water. If something feels off, adjust the prompt's verbs and descriptors, or swap in a photo with stronger composition, then regenerate. Small wording changes can make a big difference. And that's it. You've created a video from a single image using Sora, tailored to an Amazon River documentary vibe. Keep iterating with new images and refined wording to sharpen the look with each generation.